Bruh.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, we're gonna do another unboxing for you guys. And I ordered a Rubik's Cube offline. I mean, not me, my mother did. And she helped me buy this because it's super great. Now, we're gonna take a pen knife. Be right back.
A pen knife?
So we're gonna take a pen knife. Guys, you got a pen knife. Careful, don't play with it. Super duper sharp. And what you doing? Do you even know how to do this?
Shut up. I'm doing it another way.
Okay, whatever. Whoa, what's that? What's in? It's a guy Rubik's Cube 356R. Wait, let me set the camera down. Okay, take a bubble wrap out. Oh wait, the Rubik's Cube side.
Wait.
Yes, sound of it satisfying. So guys, we got the GAN Rubik's Cube 35RS. And then we got this Rubik's Cube stand, and this is the bag with some ways on how to solve it. So guys, these are some ways to solve it. And now guys, yes, it's satisfied. So now for this big one, so you're gonna take the pen knife and cut off the tape. Hey, I'm supposed to be the one. Alright, I'll be the one who's gonna unbox it. Okay, I'm gonna open this. Okay.
Take this. Did I cut it? Or did I just trace down?
Dude, you didn't even cut it.
I did. What do you mean?
Okay, nice. So guys, open the cube. And we got this gun thingy.
There's the guy. The guy.
And guys, we got the Rubik's Cube! Alright. We got some guides and instructions over here about gun cube. See, like this, lah. Or something. No, don't damage the cube. It's just
I'm cutting off the plastic. Hey!
Ow! Why did you bully me? Okay, yeah, just
I did not.
cut it
You
out.
made me drop this.
Oh, wait. Oh, I can't open this.
Dumbass.
Oh my god, I'm actually touching this thing for the first time, guys.
You sound like you never touched the Rubik's Cube in your life.
No, I mean this Rubik's Cube. Stop. Oh my god. Feels so nice. Look at this.
You already messed it up.
So nice, guys. Like, the feeling of this is so nice. Like, it doesn't make a lot of sound. It's like, look. It doesn't make that much of a sound, and it's like corner cutting. Look, guys, you don't know what is corner cutting. You do this, and then boom. Come on, feel it, guys. Sister's gonna feel it for the first time, and don't mix up the cube, alright?
This is how I...
Yeah, it's like super duper, like, you know.
So smooth.
Yeah, it's like super duper smooth. So we're gonna see these cards. Did you just mess it up?
No.
Hold the camera. Just hold the camera.
Oh shit.
It looks so nice. It feels so smooth. Like when you feel like the top of this, it like feels like super duper nice, guys. Look. There's no sound made. Now let's see these cards.
Wait, is the green the green's almost the same as the nuts, right?
Yeah, true. What is this? Now we have these on how to solve these Rubik's Cube. I don't even know what this means right now. What? Okay, wait. I know some of the Rubik's Cube stuff.
Wait, stop first.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Oh no, come on.
Guys, I just mixed this cube up. Let's see whether this can actually work. So, these are the movements. So, if right goes up, left goes down. Okay, let's see whether this actually works. PLL. I have no idea what that sounds like. Okay.
You got the man.
Are you this? Did you just? No way. Not sure whether this will work, but who cares? I'm gonna do what I can on this cube. So we're gonna form the daisy first. Guys, I'm gonna be trying to like do some stuff on this cube. Like, I know how to like solve some of those, like, you know, whatever, guys. Look. Okay. I know like some steps of this Rubik's cube, like how to solve it. Sorry about that, guys. My father was interrupting, but there's like a white spot over here, and it has to like go into somewhere over here. So
No, there's 2 white spots. What do you mean?
who cares? Then we're gonna go. So we're gonna do this, and this. Then we're gonna form the first layer. See how it joins up. Now we have this. Do this, and this. See? You see how this joins up? All those. Now we're gonna look for another piece. Now we got this piece over here. We got this piece with a white sticker over there. Wait, it's not a sticker. Piece. Then we go move that up. Then boom. Look at that. Look at that. I love the feeling of this cube. Finally. And then boom. We got the first 2 layers. Alright, guys. We got the first 2 layers of the cube, and it feels like super duper smooth. Like, let me show you my old cube. Let me just show you my old cube. Where is it? Never mind, guys, but my old cube was literally like so, like, you know, it isn't that smooth as this gun cube over here. It like feels like super duper smooth, and yeah.
Put it on the floor.
Put it on the floor, and you see the details. I like this gun piece over here. And look at this. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Like, alright, let's try the Rubik's cube stand. I'm not sure how this thing works. Boom, guys, look at this.
It looks like something out of Universal Studios.
Yeah, I know, right? True.
It looks like a globe.
Oh, I almost did a flip. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. I know it's a short unboxing, but this is one of the best cubes on the market right now.
It's only 7 minutes. Come on.
It's the Gun 356RS, and yeah. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.